Hello, pembelajar online whom I love wherever you are. So today we'll talk about cryptocurrency. But today we'll talk about PI networks. Before discuss about that, please subscribe, like, share and also comment my YouTube channels. My name is Dadang Prasetyo Miko. I'm a PhD graduate from Cardiff Metropolitan University in the UK, and I'm also an expert in financial area. Please stay tuned. We'll be right back after this moment. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So today, actually, I would like to inform you that PI network will join on Indonesian INDODAX. Some of Indonesians haven't known yet that PI network is, but if you are one of the PI network members, now you know that one PI is equal to IDR 1,167,611. Besides, should you follow the development of the PI network through the application installed on your smartphone or monitor information via chat pioneers, you know that the moderator has formed a community group via Discord. Furthermore, Mr. Oscar Darmawan, the CEO of Indodex, who has written a history of the PI network, has decided to join the group. Indodex, we know that it is one of the most credible exchanges in Indonesia, and it is already a license from Bapepti and everyone can access it. To create an account via www.indodex.com. The presence of Mr. Oscar Damon on the Discord group is an indicator and a strong signal that later Indodex will include the PI network even though right now it has not yet been listed. This means that the PI network currency owners in the future can withdraw via Indodex. Well, I expect that my explanation above will open more people's minds on the world of cryptocurrency, especially on the PI network digital currency and its prospect, which until now we can get it for free and easily using smartphone. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your smartphone and join the PI network now. It appears here that one PI network is equal to 1,168,492 Indonesian rupiahs as for today. And I do have about 171 PI networks. It means that it is equal to about 190 million Indonesian rupiahs. My dear, it is normal if you are still afraid or even pessimistic when you are invited to join the mining of the newest digital money candidate, the PI network. Even some of you might sneer that this is just a sham project or deceptive mode action like other applications that actually do practice fraud, or some of you might be newbies to the cryptocurrency world or digital money. Most people are too lazy to read and comprehend frequent asked questions and white paper. since they are in English. This excuse doesn't make sense anymore, as now it is easy to translate using Google Translator. Thus, most people will find it easily to read and comprehend. Apart from that, most people think that easy way or instant to earn a profit. It is like plug and play in which as soon as we play we want to get results right away and make money. These people haven't thought about want to cash out or withdraw, and they don't want to know how complicated and long the process to launch the crypto is. Besides, they don't want to browse or valid information. Make a comparison with existing crypto like Bitcoin and etc. How Bitcoin started and until it was launched also took time. It is not even as easy as the PI network for its information access. The equipment used is more complicated and expensive. And what about the legal aspect? No need to worry or question the legality of the PI network, as you can access and check by yourself on its official website called mindap.com. In addition, Social Chain Incorporation or Social Chain.inc has been registered on the Secretary of California State, in which the CEO and one of the initiators of the project in there. And more about the funding and sponsorship. The core team spent quite a bit budget to finance this crypto project and its activity. As you can see in the following screenshots previously, it is a statement except from the core team which was uploaded by the front view of the PI network application before entering phase 2 some times ago. And apart from that, the sponsor and the people support this project are the outstanding and well-grounded businessmen, one whom is Christine Bridge, and here's sort of her profile. Christine Bridge, the former head of marketing and image industry of Columbia Pictures, opened the doors to the Roy Big Collective, a new consulting firm that will provide media, technology, and lifestyle company with strong strategy, narrative, and positioning, creative branding, messaging, and overall vision. As a former marketing boss of not only Sony but also DreamWorks Studio Film District, Birch has played a vital role behind several blockbuster film campaigns that have made billions of dollars at the global box office. For instance, Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, Spider-Man, Homecoming, Peter Rabbit, Transformer, and several Oscar-winning photos such as The Help, The Theory of Everything, and The Danish Girl. In the Roy Beef Collective, Beats brings her entertainment marketing skill to the new generation of entrepreneurs, starting with the cryptocurrency company. The PI network, which is thriving since it has been launched on March 14th, now it has over 2 million engaged users, all of whom are members by invitations. With the PI networks, Peers builds partnership with Silicon Valley startup Social Chains Incorporated and work along with some founders such as Dr. Nicholas Cockles, Dr. Sandiago Vance, and Vincent. Mr. Phillips to formulate a vision for a new social cryptocurrency built to the idea of the cryptocurrency after one of her guests, a Stanford graduate, started talking about technology coin at a family barbecue. It was also her company, the Roy Beef, working on product consultant, white paper, brand creatives, strategic messaging, brand mission and value on this PI network project. Dr. Nicholas Cocktails, the creator of the PI University, which is leading university in the world. The PI has the largest network and community in the world, and it is the compilation of all aspects, system, and technology of all coins in the world. And what about the acknowledgement and recognition? The popularity of the PI network is now skyrocketed as within 1 year of its launching in the Play Store in March 14, 2019, to be precise. This application has been downloaded and run for mining, and the number of miners or PI users or pioneers has reached almost 5 million in 180 countries. For that, it is normal that several credible market exchanges in the world have been waiting to launch. Even some of them have listed that PI network on their website even though it has not been officially launched. Thus, the statement is coin IOU in own utility. For example, on website and social networks. DEX or decentralization of exchange, CEX or centralization of exchange, DApp decentralization of PI application are now in the DEX periods where every transaction only involves P2P who have passed KYC. The core team will observe the network maturity, so when the integrated layer letter into the CEX, there is no more problem found. Then, when the mainnet is open, PI will integrate to the CEX, for example, INDODAX, Binance, and etc. So, the pioneers can already exchange the fiat currency or rupiahs or exchange with other cryptos such as BTC, ETH, USDT, and etc. dApps will be built by the core team so that people can exchange with other crypto in one decentralized application. Some examples of decentralized dApps are Trust Wallet, MetaMask. And what about checking the INDODAX exchange listed on the block Explorer of PI network? First, open PI browser, then click Blockchain's PI Future. Second, scroll down, then click Source Code. Third, click Catch Stellar Block Explorer. Fourth, click Exchange. You will find the INDODAX exchange, one of exchanges to buy and sell the local crypto asset that has gone global. Later, once the open mainnet has been released and the PI coin has been listed in INDODAX exchange, you can convert the PI coin into rupiahs and withdraw it into your personal account. So that's things that I can summarize and send to you today. I hope this will be beneficiary and you will get more beneficial from this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.